Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make YouTube Shorts format in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and start a new project. Then, create a new sequence. It's crucial to set your sequence settings correctly for Shorts. You'll want a vertical aspect ratio, so set your frame size to 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels high. This gives you the perfect 9 by 16 vertical format. Choose a standard frame rate, like 24 or 30 frames per second. Once your sequence is set up, it's time to bring in your footage. Import your video clips into the project panel, then drag them onto your timeline. You might need to adjust the scale and position of your clips to ensure they fill the vertical frame properly. Use the Effect Controls panel to make these adjustments. Remember, YouTube Shorts are typically 60 seconds or less, so keep your content concise and engaging. To make your short more dynamic, consider adding text and music. Use the Essential Graphics panel to create engaging text overlays. Select clear, readable fonts that stand out against your video. Next, import your chosen background music or sound effects. Make sure to adjust the audio levels carefully. Your dialogue should be clear, and the music should complement, not overpower, your main audio. Aim for a balanced sound mix. Finally, it's time to export your YouTube short. Go to File, then Export, and select Media. In the export settings, choose H.264 as your format. It's excellent for YouTube. Double-check that your output resolution is still 1080 by 1920 pixels. This ensures it remains in the correct vertical format. Give your file a clear name, choose where to save it, and hit Export. Your short is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.